Understanding, in a blink of an eye, a quick dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, in a blink of an eye. This idiom is widely used in English-speaking countries and holds a significant meaning that can add a splash of color to your conversations. So, let's unravel its meaning and how you can use it effectively in your daily communication. In a blink of an eye refers to something happening very quickly or instantaneously. It's used to describe an action or event that occurs so fast it's almost like you could miss it if you blinked. The phrase beautifully captures the essence of speed and brevity, emphasizing the fleeting nature of time. The idiom, in a blink of an eye, is believed to have originated from the notion that a blink is one of the quickest possible human movements. Interestingly, there isn't a specific point in history where this phrase first appeared. It's a concept that evolved over time, rooted in the universal experience of how swiftly moments can pass us by. Now that we know what it means, let's look at some examples to understand how to incorporate, in a blink of an eye, into our conversations. 1. Time flies. My vacation ended in a blink of an eye, and it felt like I had just arrived. 2. Rapid changes. The city has transformed in a blink of an eye, barely recognizable from my childhood memories. 3. Quick actions. The magician made the card disappear in a blink of an eye. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, making it suitable for various contexts where speed and suddenness are involved. Understanding similar expressions can enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few. In the twinkling of an eye, almost identical in meaning, emphasizing rapidness. In a flash. Another equivalent, highlighting swift action. Before you know it, implies that something will happen so quickly, you won't even realize it's occurring. In a blink of an eye is a powerful idiom that captures the essence of speed and the fleeting nature of time. It's a reminder of how quickly things can change or happen. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn opens up new ways of expressing yourself. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.